There's plenty of free parking here, but you have to take a shuttle to the Discovery Center, and they don't open until 10. There's a place where you can sit and wait for the shuttle. There is a bathroom and trails out here. Here's a trail map of the Sweetwater Park. It's really beautiful here. I love being by the ocean. They built a children's park here too. You can see beautiful yellow California sunflowers. And the ocean in the distance.
You just gotta bring it with you.
I can't. Should I? I don't know. Can I put it in a bag?
Hudson is gonna be, I think, the turtle. But like he doesn't know that. So he's wearing like this turtle sweatshirt. We're gonna try to get him to wear it like.
It is such a clear and beautiful day. There is the Living Coast Discovery Center. You can only go there by shuttle. You're not allowed to walk to it. There's an RV park that's right next to the shuttle and Sweetwater Park. That was a garden tiger moth caterpillar that was by the shuttle stop. So cute. Now I'm at the Turtle Lagoon. I just got to the Discovery Center. And it looks like the water's drained, but there is the turtle in there. Green sea turtle. Looks like he's having fun in there. This is Emerald.
Are you wanting to go to the Living Coast? Yes. Okay.
Now Emerald has water in her pool.
¿Está de este tamaño?
Puede ser. Acá estoy. ¿A dónde van? Vénganse, no van a salir en la foto. La foto está acá.
A la foto es así.
Dice que abajo.
Está de tamaño.
Class, study, class. Okay, can you guys follow me? Okay, everyone, stay right here. I'm gonna grab the basket, the container, and then you're gonna give me all your papers and clipboards and pencils. Let me grab Mr.
This is Cora the heron. She likes to hide. I'm pretty sure this is the Roadrunner. It's so cute.
There's a roadrunner right there.
Yeah, I saw that. It's so neat.
That's so cool.
See a big basket?
He understands if I come up like that. But he also understands if I stay on the phone, I'm It's because when batteries are low, they get live first, they're rolled up like a pillow thing. I didn't know that from the plant. I just thought
Sink right there. Go wash your hands before you physically touch him.
Holy cow, these are some pretty big fish.
It's coming up. It's coming up. Hey, buddy. Oh, he's trying to trick me.
You scared me.
Oh, so no one's coming too.
I need to touch it.
They even have woobles here. You can go to Helen May Crochet YouTube channel if you want to crochet some of my step-by-step YouTube video tutorials for beginner or advanced crocheters. How cute.
I have Lay's, Fritos, only the chili cheese, Doritos, only spicy nacho, Cheetos puffs, and then we also have these popcorners.
Can I get? I know my son can take out. And then also there was any sour Skittles.
Yes, of course.
Okay, can I get one of the rain the water?
Okay, perfect.
There is so much to do here, and also a place to walk across from the Discovery Center. There's a great view of downtown, some ships, and the Coronado Bridge. There's a cool breeze out, and it's so beautiful here by the ocean. And you can read about the plants. They have a lot of informative plaques. There is downtown San Diego, Coronado Bridge, Coronado Island, and the Silver Strand. Don't forget that there's more to walk across the street. It's hard to believe that there were industrial buildings and more than 150 huge redwood tanks. I'm so glad they protected this area now. It's so beautiful out here, walking towards the ocean and downtown San Diego and the Coronado Bridge. You can see remnants of the past here. And it's so beautiful. You can hear the water, the ocean. And there's the Silver Strand. And here's more remnants of the industrial buildings that used to be here. Here you walk right by the ocean. You can hear the ocean waves, and you can see the remnants of the buildings that once stood here. There's the Discovery Center in the distance, and the mountains.
Yeah. Over there, those are.
But these are probably willets if they're gray. And we have long-billed curlews with a 9-inch curled down beak. Here's a northern harrier hawk on the left.
Look, oh, there's a.
And we also have the long-billed curlews and the marble cup.
So the hawks eat fish, I'm assuming.
They would even eat birds, I think.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought they ate mice. Oh, there's
Well, the
another.
egrets here, they'll eat fish. The
Okay.
wading birds, the one on the left.
Thank you for watching my video. Please hit like and subscribe for more of my fun videos. And I hope that you have a beautiful day.